Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ava's Luxury for Less with me, Avanita. Guys, thank you so much for all the love that you continue to show me on my last video and all the other videos that I've uploaded. In my video today, I'll be showing you the second part of what I done with my kitchen when I use Poundland Items. Also, I've used Wilko, Home Bargin, B&M and some 99. So thank you very much and let's go straight to the video. So this is what my kitchen looks like at the moment. Well, before I make it over, I had these dark cupboards. I had really rubbish cupboards before, so I just put this contact paper on and they look nice. I had them on since July last year, so they work really well. So this is exactly what my kitchen looked like before I updo it, and I was liking my kitchen. It was alright. I did what I had to do, but as you can see, it needed a little bit of work because obviously who don't put stuff in places in their kitchen that is not meant to go, but I try to keep it as good as possible. Yeah, this is a little tea area that I had last year that I just kind of changed around a bit, but then I'm thinking, let me do something fresh because it's summer and I want to do something a little bit different in my kitchen. So I start by taking off all these stuff that I had on my tea area and then just, get rid of all the stuff that's there because I'll be changing it, and then I just use my elbow grease just to get rid of the dirt which is on the cupboard because I'll be installing a shelf. Trust me, it is not a good thing to install shelf in a hurry. So just take your time once you do that. So I've used this impact driver that Gabo left here, and I just use this door hanger over the door hanger hook, and I just snapped off the two ends. It looks like it's a holder, but it's actually not. It's a coat hanger or a over the door coat hanger. I'm just babbling a bit, aren't I? Yeah. You can tell I'm excited. Yeah, I am so excited. Yeah. So I just snapped the two ends off, and then I just make it into a tea holder. I just measured out it, and then I just installed the shelf. And then here I'm going to make a DIY radiator cover. So these pallets I got from the Poundland, and they were £1 each. I ended up getting 10, but in total I only used 6. So I just measured the length or the height of how tall I need to make the radiator cover, and then I just measured up 2 of the pallets against the radiator, and then I just staple them together. Well, not staple them together, I connect them together with braces. You will see what I've done. So I went ahead and used one of the braces and just attach it to the other, and then just use the impact driver just to get the screws together into it. Just be very careful. I mean, this is Gabo's impact driver, and I'm sure he wouldn't be happy if I done something, crazy to it. It costs a lot, so I don't really want to do that. But I'm being very careful. But as I said, just be very careful. Okay, guys, I'm really happy. I don't know why. I think I've had too much sugar or something, but I'm really, really happy. So, yeah. And then this is what it looks like after I've connected the 2 pallets together. And in total, I made 3 of these. So that's the second one. And then this is the third one. And then what I've done, I just attached 2 of them together, again with a brace that I got, or bracket that I got. This bracket, I got it from my Wilko. It was 75p. And then I just connected to the eyes, and then that's what it looks like against my radiator. This piece of log or piece of wood I'm going to use on top, I actually found it on the side of the road, and I just measured out the size or the length of how long I need to cut it, and then that's it. I just bring back the standing bits of the radiator cover that I'd made, and then just attach that top bit on it. Then I just kind of get the brackets and then just attach to it. This is just me fumbling around with measuring and knowing where to put the brackets and where I need to adjust it on the wall or secure it on the wall. Look at me, I'm a builder. I got my pencil and my measure tape in my back pocket. Yo, yeah. Yes, I'm just just fiddling and just measuring all the right things here. If you want to try something like this, just forget that I'm high in sugar at the moment, but just try to measure and get everything correct. When I was doing it, I wasn't high, just so you know. I'm just really high now. Yeah, but just just measure it out properly using your pencil, your tape, and then also, you know, a good little understanding. Don't rush too much to do anything. Just take your time. As I said before, these pallets are from the Poundland, and I paid £1 for them. I actually got 9. Yes, I got 9, but I only end up using 6. So I'll be using the other 3 to do something else. And then this is what it looks like after I finish it. And then I just painted it with some white paint that I had at home. And then, trust me, you're gonna see, look, one, bam! Yo, it awesome, looks so good. You can't believe that most of what I've used here, the tiles are from the Poundland. The pallets again are from the Poundland. All these jars that I got are from the Poundland again. You know, most of everything that I got here is from the Poundland, and I just, you know, dropped my echo falls with some grape. Girl, look it nice. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And this bowl again, Poundland, right? Okay, these are the things I had at home, but then the little bumblebee or the little be mindful, I got it from Tesco. It was on sale. I got it for £1. The basket, which is there again, Poundland, £1. And I did mention to you before that these frames, I just kind of just get them from the Poundland again, and I just print those photos and put them in. And then I did a little, you know, clear out from the top of my cupboard, and then just make it looks clean and fresh, and it looks so much better than how it was looking before, and I'm loving it. And this is my new tea area. I am loving it. These cups I got from Bargin. They were $1.99. And then this kitchen side, I actually made it. I just hot glue and then just use some strong adhesive to get the frames together, and then I just put some sticky letters in between. And I don't know about you, but I like a lot of magnets on my fridge. And then this flower bucket or flower jar I got from Tesco. Again, it was on sale for £5, and the flowers, Poundland. Come on, people, there's so much stuff you can do from Poundland. The rug I got from Poundstretcher was $7.99. But as I said to you, 90% of these things that I got are from the Poundland, and you cannot believe that these are the cups that you see hanging. I have them in a saucer. I have a couple of saucers for Poundland. I got these last year, but just so you know, you can do a lot of things with Poundland instead of spending a lot of money. Just you need time. And for me, I don't have the amount of money to, you know, lavish out and, you know, go on. But look at my radiator cover, looking awesome. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for watching my previous video on the tiles, and I hope and I truly hope I'll see you soon in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.